As it's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's do now deal. Now that means either the deals will not be here any longer, the coupon will leave, or they will stop the whole thing. Let's get right here. The Lay's potato chips are buy two get two free. So you pick up 2 bags of the Lay's potato chips, and then you get 2 free. You'll pay $3.95 each. So I like to get different ones for my kids to try. Okay. And then I'm gonna let them try these Funyuns right here. Okay. Make sure you scan your coupons to make sure that the deals are here. Okay. Okay. And when I scan, it shows they're $3.95. We have 2 offers: buy 2 get 2, and 2 for $6. Please do the buy 2 get 2. Let's go. Okay, guys, and now we're over here by the soda. First thing we're going to look at is the Mountain Dew. Now, I scanned all of these Mountain Dews at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them match, okay? So I picked up 2 of the Mountain Dew Maui's. They're at $8.25. We have 2 sets of coupons, one for $4 off the 14 and one for $2 off of 3. Then we have 2 instant offers. That first instant offer is $3 off 14 Pepsi or Mountain Dew products, and then the other one is 2 off of 15. Please pick up the one that's $3 off of 14. So they are $8.25. Let's do the math right quick so you'll see what you're saving. $8.25 times 3 take you. Okay, $8.25, but we bought 3, so that's $14. I don't know why I was doing $8.25 times 3. Help me out, guys. Take that 4 off and take that 2 off. Leave you at $8. Divide that by 3. They are $2.66. Or buy 1 get 2 free. Now let's get to the Pepsi products because they are also on clearance, on sale. Wow, I'm boggling up a lot today. Yeah, I am goggling up, guys. It's the Coca-Cola that's on clearance. Let's get to that. Now, when we scan the Coca-Cola, we see that it's $8.75. We have 2 coupons also, a Dollar General for $2, and then we have a $2 off 1 Coca-Cola that's a manufacturer. That means those 2 coupons will stack. Then we have an instant offer of 3 for $15. So we will do it like this. We will do 15, take 2 off the Coca-Cola, 2 off the other one, and they will be 3 for $11. Divide those by 3, or $3.66 each, which is really a standard for Coca-Cola. That's also a good deal, okay? Okay, let's get over here to the deodorant, and you're gonna go down to the Ajax if they have it, the 225. If not, you can't use that one. But let's do the Palmolive right here. Show you the deal. Okay, the Palmolive is $2.75. You have a coupon that's $2.50 off of 2. Then you have a deal 2 for $5. Now, open that coupon up because we're going to look at some more deals up in here. All right? You want to open that deal. You want to go all the way down. You find that Ajax for $1.85. That $2.50 also attaches to it. Then if you find an Ajax for $2.25, that $2.50 coupon also attaches to that, as long as you buy them in pairs of 2. Okay, guys, now you know this is not in any type of order. So as I see it, I'm hitting it for you guys, okay? Now, as you can see, we have the Lipton iced tea. You could do the citrus, diet, or the peach. $7.50. Buy 2 get 1 free. That is not just the only deal. It's $7.50. We have a couple of coupons. We have that spend 10, save 3 DG coupon, and then we have an instant offer of buy 2 get 1 free. So let's do the deal. They are $7.50 times 3. I always add that freebie in, $22. Take out 1, $7.50. Leave you at $15. And then take that $3 off because you did the spend 10, save 3. Take you to $12. Divide that by 3, $4 each. This is an awesome deal if you want to grab that. Okay, guys, let's look at our Glade right here. I'm going to scan this one and say 180 and see what happens. Nothing. I want to see if that coupon attached. It did not. So let's check this one. Okay, Glade is $2.25. You have a $1 manufacturer coupon, making it $1 $8.25. Okay, now let's turn over here, guys. We have some coupons right here. Let's go right to the Persil. The Persil is $5.50. You have a number of coupons. One, you have that spend 15, save 3. Whenever you see the black square with the check mark in it, plus sign in it, tap it, but open it up. That coupon is going to tell you what's attaching to it, okay? Let's get to this one. Now we had $1.50 off manufacturer Persil. Hit it. It's going to show you which 2 attaches, and those are the 2 that attach. Okay, so that's $1.50, and that is $1.50 off. So they make them $4 each. And you have your gain. That's $4.50. Any other ones that's $4.50. You get 4 for $12. Now you can mix and match. That's one of your glitches. You can mix and match this, even if it tells you to buy separate products. You can have all 4 products. That's what it is. So if you want 4 gang flings, you can pick up 4 gang flings. Now scan that, because the last time it had coupons that attach. I'm never that lucky. See, I'm never that lucky. But this is the thing. Make sure that 4 for $12 attached, because as you can see, it did not. So whenever that happens, turn it around. Let's see. $4.50, and it still did not attach. So that is a product I would not pick up right now. Wait until your coupons finish loading and then try it, okay? So I came right here. I scanned the Gain fabric softener. That's $4.50, 4 for $12, and this is what I got. I have my 4 off of 12 right here. Okay, hit that. Some of your Gain coupons have an extra coupon to it. Like the Tango right here is $4.50. It has a $2 coupon. Let's look at it. $4.50. Now here it is. You have a $2.50 coupon off just the Tango. It says Dollar General. Now you have that 4 for $12 that Tango also attaches to, but it also says Dollar General. So what have we learned? Those 2 do not stack. Then you have a spend 30, save $5, and it is also a Dollar General. So these 3 coupons will not stack together, okay? Then we're going to go to our Purex V-Packs. 28 count is $5.75. But we have some coupons. We have that spend 15, save 3, DG. Then we have that 2 for 10, DG. And then you can earn money back. You could buy 2 of the Purex for $10 and get $1 for each one, okay? Remember, guys, don't forget this deal I went over in my ad preview. Go and watch that ad preview right here. The Arm & Hammer is $4.25. We have a $2 off coupon manufacturer. Then it's an instant offer 2 for $6. So you're going to add that $2 on there, right? Now let's scan one more. Let's see if this one has a $2 coupon too. 5. And that $2, but it doesn't attach. So I will pick up 2 of these, which is missing the other one. I don't have another one. Oh, yes, it is. It's back there. I'll pick up 2 of these for $6, and then that $2 coupon apply, making those 2 for $4 or $2 each for a 14 pack. I can pack this up and send it to my son. What's my best deal today? It is going to be on the Arm & Hammer laundry detergent. That's one of my best laundry deals today. Now let's get to the Clorox, because there's a number of things attaching to it. Clorox is telling you that you can spend $15 and you will save $5, right? So you have to get the deal down. But this is the thing, guys. It has a number of coupons attaching to it. This, you have the 75% off, so you can use that. It'll attach to either one of these. And that is a manufacturer coupon, so we can stack it on top of that Dollar General coupon. Then you also have that Kingsford coupon that is attaching, that charcoal. So what I would do is I would get that Kingsford, and I would get a Clorox. Guys, in this Clorox deal, you also have the Glade garbage bags. It's $5.95 on set. Spend 15, save 5, and here it is for $5.95, and that is the coupon right here. And then you have an instant offer of 2 for $10. Okay, so Glade, if you need garbage bags, this would be an awesome deal right here to do. And plus that Clorox for $5.50. right there, you're finished. You're going to get that 75 cent off Clorox, and then you're going to get these also to go in that deal. You would go $10.50 for the garbage bags, plus $5.50 for the double pack of Clorox toilet bowl cleaners. Take you to $16. You take that $5 off, then take that 75 cent off, leave you at $10.25. Divide that by $3.41. There you go. Scott tissue is usually $5 each. They're on sale 2 for $8. When you scan, it shows that they're $5, but they also show our instant offer of 2 for $8. Good deal. You go to your Angels off right here, the scented, any one of these, I believe. They are $6.35. They have a coupon of $1.50, making these $4.95 for an 8-pack. Good deal. Then if you want to maximize your savings, go to the True Living Soft Tissue, the 12-pack. They're originally $5. They gave us a $1 coupon, making it $4. Here we go. $1 coupon, making that 12-pack of tissue $4. You guys remember we said we had some glitches, and I found one right here, and it's going to be on the Pantene right here. The Pantene is $2. Look at it. That $3 coupon attaches, making those $1 each. Awesome to send to your kid if they in college, okay? Then we have the Head and Shoulder shampoo right here. Let's scan that. That is $2, and it also has a $3 off 2 coupon. Now that's not all, because we're gonna go right here to the Herbal Essence shampoo. That is $2.50, and it also has a $3 off 2 coupon. The glitches is glitching in Dollar General this week. If you come over to the nail polishes, go to the Sally Hansen. It's a coupon for $1.50 a coupon. And then you're going to scroll down right up in here. There's one for $2.45. So grab that. Those glitches are awesome in here this weekend. And guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. I will be doing some extra videos because we have a lot of instant offers. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Ivy's Coupon Can. Bye. It's a deal on here where it says this. Let me show you. Gotta pull my app back up. Sorry about that. Remember, guys, I'll be in store live. Olay body wash is $7.50. They give us 2 deals. One, a coupon for buy one get one 50% off bar soap. Now that's that 6-count bar soap. That's a Dollar General. Then they gave us an instant offer of buy one get one 50% off. Now remember, that's also Dollar General, so they should not stack. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to buy it. If it works, then I'll let you know at the end. If I don't let you know, then it did not work, okay? Remember, I told you I'd get back with you if this deal worked, and guess what? It worked. You're going to pick up one Olay body wash. Now, I only tried it on the Shea Butter one, okay? Try it on other ones. If it don't work, take it back and go get these. Then you're going to pick up a 6-count Olay bar soap. Okay? Here we go right here. When we look at it, the Olay body wash was $7.50. They gave me a discount of $4 and then another discount of $2.97. The Olay bar soap 6-count was $8. I had a less promo of $3.59. So really, the only thing I paid for out of pocket before taxes, it was $8.53. This is $8 by itself. So I'm going to say this works. I had a savings of $6.97. Guys, go get this. Go get it. Bye.